Baron lane, jungle, mid, ADC, support. Oh.
Parang
Ay, nako.
RG lang.
Oo, parang nag-RG lang to. Kakainin lang natin. Mabilis na 2-0 to yata eh.
Ganda ng synergy.
Saan pa ayusin yan?
Okay, that's good. Kainis kayo, ayoko. Mr. Q. Oh, do do. Dun. Dun, dun, dun. Masaya to, masaya to. Akin na po ang blue blop, blue blop. Oh my god. Uy,
Magkakasaus spell, tapos sasakay ulit ako sa'yo. Pwede ba yun?
Pwede.
Pwede kaya yun?
Hindi na makakagalaw yun, guys.
Basta ako, bawal lang magpakita.
Oo nga.
be that Noxus is on their way to invade another region. And sayang. Okay, nice sir. All mamaw. Hindi nga eh. Nagasim nga eh. Hello Kuya Bibi.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Ayos yun ah. Ganda pala pag chicken legs yung ano eh. Aray!
Oh, yan ang
Nice one!
Oy, ginagawa mo, Yasuo!
Story. It's been so long since I've played this game, man. Yeah, and we are live on TikTok and Facebook right now. Ayan, but canon pa din yan. Yes, this is still considered. Okay. So, para makita nyo okay. So, we have 1 HP Toki-chan. Ayan. Okay. All is well. Ang nila mag-bait Teka lang. Ang galing nila mag-bait. Teka lang. Let's see. Op. Op. Oy! Don't leave my game, bro. We're gonna win. This is winnable 100% by us, bro. Arcane was good too. Kaso lang, I think Fallout caters to a more parang bigger audience kasi sila yung nakakuha ng maraming punto.
Guys, hi guys, dito.
Naka-arrange na ba tayo sa role? Ito na ba role natin?
BR ako.
AD support? Okay.
Which, nice. Load. Things go boom. Pero I think Warwick will live. Kasi he has high regenerative capabilities. Hope for Echo showing up. Yeah, he will show up. Yes, exactly. I will. Yan. Phone ko ng laptop ko yung Marvel Rivals, pero we'll see. Hope kasi I am planning to buy a new PC. A PC capable of running Marvel. Op. Month. Yeah, end of the month. It could be the end of the month or it could be on January first. Yeah, no, end of the month. Yeah, end of Boom. and they're gonna adapt one of the storylines na ni-release nila recently in one of their games. Hopefully they adapt the Ruination story. Okay. Magkano yan sa Steam? I think right now nasa 300 400 siya kasi autumn sale. So, namatay si Timo, may malapit na champion sa akin, it chased him down. That's how it works. Yan. Nagmamadali, mga inaantok na.
Basic ka! Ba't ang basic,
Oh my
guys?
God.
GG's!
ng ticker mo?
Gay too easy!
Right, here we go. Okay. So, oh, you know what? Sa baba. I have my ult. Kaisa, naiwan. Mag-isa.
You have slain an enemy. Ally slain.
Ah? Ano nangyari dun?
Down.
Okay.
Hayya. Hayya.
Because you will get challenger players. Wait, oh. Only Iron.
Nasa na si I will not fail.
I think Brand's having a bad time. Well, yeah. Kalaban niya si Malphite. Plus Malphite's already ahead. 3-1. Naka-low graphics na to ha. Baka mamaya. Naka-low shadow na ako ha. Baka mamaya mag-lag pa to. Diyos ko talaga. Tatapong ko talaga to. Ng laptop ko yung Marvel Rivals. Pero we'll see. Kasi I am planning to buy a new PC. A PC capable of running Marvel. Yo. Yeah, Mel Medardo is going to be... Okay, ayan. Uniqlo siya. I still haven't worn it. Gusto ko siya labhan.
Ally slain.
I need help, please. Echo, abutan niyo ako. Ah, okay lang yan. Trade. I'm good. I get the assist. Na madedetect kung smurfing ka ba o hindi. Oy, Mimic. Pang mag-isa? Masyado kang na-hype, Yasuo. Diyos ko sa'yo.
Shut down.
Oh, shit. Ah! Bye.
你出生在地图右上方。欢迎来到英雄联盟。
Alright. But I can't. I'm sorry. Oh! Oh, huli na. Bang. Game boys. And if you guys don't know yet, Ayan. Nakita ko yung vids mo sa RR. Galing kami dyan, kaso late. Woo, hello. Ayan, nakita ko yung pangalan mo eh. Yeah, we'll get the mimic first. I've been getting a lot of mimics in this game. Or like Escanope. Oop. Wait lang. Woo! Dodge roll. Para lang ako naglalaro ng Dark Souls. Wait lang.
Doon, ang ganda ng stats ko eh. Balik rin na lang.
3 for 1. O si Aizen, power spike na pala si Aizen eh. Panalo to. Aizen.
Sige, push na natin dito. Push na natin dito yan. Wala na silang magagawa. Ito. Ah, hindi, marami din. Sino tong nag-objective? Nung Caitlyn? Kaya lang. Up, Ash. Oh my god, nakalimutan ko. Wait lang, inverted din pala yung skills ko dito. Wait lang. I'm so confused. Wait lang. Diamond. Ayun na, parang ganun. Emerald Diamond. Mid tier. Parang ganun. As for items, ayan yung parang recommended build sa kanya. Ayan. So as you can see, nag-power spike yung Olaf, 8-5 oh. Grabe. Nagtuthrow na yung Yasuo kanina ang What the hub.
Down I go!
Man ang buhay-buhay. Napalaban na.
Napalaban na.
Napalaban or ano na, lahat kayo nakabuff. So, Rebs, I think ilang beses ka lang sumali sa mga
ano ba to? Control panel. Uy, hindi yan. Uy, hindi din yan. Oh, hindi yan. Ano pa? Story. Ayan, ito yung story ni Echo. Ito yung story game ni Echo. And it's available to play right now. Rewards pa kami. Let's crank. May mga gold. Masan. Uy, Masan, hello po. Welcome to the stream. Ayan, please do follow her. Ayan, nag-i-stream din siya ng Wild Rift dito sa TikTok. Warded ba dito?
Ally slain.
Nako. Wala pang gates. Hindi ako maka... That was doubt. I did it all. Uy, ito rin oh. Yasuo sa taas.
Basag mid, mababagal kumilos yan.
Basag mid.
Ano ba, sunmig? Ba't magsa-sunmig?
Bakit na pala?
Out, cash out. Hindi tayo lalaban, guys. Marami tayong pera.
That'll give me time. Yes. Kita ko si Warwick. Ayan, okay. Wait! Mate. Please don't. Yan, nakadepende kasi sa cellphone yon. Pero right now, yung size ng Wild Rift sa akin nasa 20 na. May esports pa. Last na node ko WCS. Yes, meron. Magkakaroon ng esports ulit. Tera. It's a good ending. Don't get me wrong. It's a good ending. It's a cliffhanger, but it's a good ending. It's a good ending to start, and before that... Oh, by the way, ayan. Kung gusto nyong makasama dun sa watch party ng second act ng Arcane, Chinese version po ba? Yes. Ayan, kung gusto nyo makasama dun sa second act ng GT things. Yeah, I've heard pretty good things about the season 2 pilot, bro. Yeah, it don't spoil it for everyone, okay? And okay. Like, there we go.
Okay. Been here before.
Tang sila dyan na baka nandito sila sa may right side ah.
Chill lang. Kaya to.
Patras yung galaw, hayaan nyo pumasok yung Vi at saka yung Yasuo.
Yup,
Mas
yup.
patras lang galaw natin, literal.
Okay, kaya ko ba-outplay yung mga yan? Meron ako thesis.
Hindi nyo
Sa mga winners natin and remove it from the wheel. Ayan. Oy, guys, it's me. Oy, Jericho Vergara. Hello. Welcome to the stream. New effects. Ayan, but the new parang a new ultimate. Okay. So sa Pasig lang. Akala ko alam mo. Kasi sumali ka dun sa ticket giveaway. Pero yun, Star Guardian Trail, ayan o. The sparkly one. Ayan. And then we have the golden
Di kahit mag-top lane na lang ako.
Oh, sige.
Okay.
Ngayon na
Okay.
pala. Okay.
mas jungler si Aizen.
Anong pick mo, Aizen?
Ano ba?
Open.
Walang swap.
We're good. You're so good.
Slain an enemy.
Kaya na to. Tulungan nyo na lang ako. Ang hirap! Putang. Okay, we got the kill. We're good. Okay, switching back to left. Yeah, switching back to right hand. This isn't the PBE. This is live, by the way. This is live. May showdown na po tayo. Thank you for the... What the shit is that? Crab? Is that a crab and a flower? Think. This is called Convergence, a League of Legends story. So this is basically Echo's storyline after Arcane. Rewind. Oh, and regarding sa skin sa rework, yeah, marami pa rin may gusto dong sa base Victor.
Siya lang ako dito. Wala na siya ako.
O, kating-kating na daw tayo. Oh. Boss Rebs, may sinasabi sa'yo si Digris, nakangati ka na daw. Sabi. Grabe.
Diba? Dun sa watch party. Do not spoil it for everyone. Don't be an asshole, okay? Sorry TikTok. Basta, don't spoil it for everyone. I Let's take down that tower. Nakapag-farm ako ng maayos kanina eh. Sayang. sa C server niyan? Wala pa. Wala.
Hindi man lang ako makagalaw. Yawa!
There we go.
Speaking of which, it looks like Korn Revik needs some help.
You've already stolen enough of my clockwork creations.
3, we're 2-0. Oh my god, we're 0-2 pala, 0-2. Baliktad pagtalo, di ba? We're 0-2. My goodness. Let me do that with the accent, bro. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good and very nice. What the fuck? Where have I seen that? Don't take to play. Some insights, wait. Bakit di ko makita yung insights? Kailangan ko lang makasiguro. Nakakapagbabagabag, hello. Putik, kung minalas-malas ka nga naman, under tower pa. Stay lang tayo dito. Op. Minalas-malas. Napindot ko pa yung ulti sa ano. For like 19 minutes to an hour. Tapos nabura lahat ng protection marks ko. Diba? Buti na lang nga hindi ako binan. Kasi yung iba dito nababan for 1 week to a year, bro. Mali. Sayang hindi siya malapit. Please let me blink. Fuck. Come on, Diana. Oink. Pag ito pili na siya. Ando pala yung Nami. Good job, Riot. 10 out of 10. 100 out of 10. Yeah. What? Okay. Wait lang, ito. Yung set. Wala.
Yata, nag-words na.
Sige, okay lang. Pinalili ko rin yun. Listen, as in.
Sige, i-GG ko na to.
Okay.
Sige, level 4 pa lang to.
Hindi ka umabot.
Hindi umabot, ayam na. Oy!
Please don't die. Lumabang pa kasi pumasok pa eh, oh. There we go. That's my first kill. Unstoppable na siya. Oh. Kailangan lang namin ma-push tong ano. Ay, nga pala, old version.
Pag nag-clear yan, kaya ko agawin. Layo na pala. Inaamot.
Wala,
Ingat
DDR na sila.
topside. Pucha.
Gagarin mag-isa lang.
Dragon Fest Listen na naka dragon yung red dragon yung ano talaga niya, yung design. Yung pang Lunar New Year. Okay, we're good. We're gonna try again. Spear lane.
Isa na lang
Kaya
siguro.
Orn?
Hindi ko kaya mag-orn.
Orn support?
Ayan.
Yan.
Pwede na yan.
O kaya Ambesa. Ambesa or more
Ambesa pwede. Ambesa.
Kung ako
It works like a dream. Wait lang, nakalimutan ko pala. Mag-i-end ako, hindi ko tinatag yung game ng stream ko. Sorry.
Sige, game.
Laban na to. Tayo na.
Sino tapat ko?
Alam mo ka mag-charge.
Ambesa top jungle. Mundo. Ambessa mid. Si Creoles yung mag-ano.
Diba? Yung mga, ang dami ko ng skins doon. Sayang naman yung account ko kung mag-i-smurf ako, diba? Sayang din yung bigay sa akin ni Riot kung mag-i-skin ako. Nag-ulti ako. Hindi ko napansin yung buhay. Sorry. Gupitin mo. Isa pa. Dash. Hello? Dash.
4K, hindi, meron na yan.
Pinipilit na
Paglabas.
Tara.
Bagal humato na notice
Farm lang ako saglit.
Okay na to. G. Guys, ayoko matalo guys galingan natin. Hindi tayo mananalo sa trash talk pag talo tayo. Oo.
Op. Good ult. Putok. Nice. Parallel convergence. Hold to aim. Okay, nice. Okay, now we can stop time. Of the game's lore, but in a way that also gives respect to the original one wave push. Nice. Good. Like I said, bawi ang first game. Boom, ulti. That Ari is pretty good, bro. It's going to be big in the next few months. So we have the devs on the Wild Rift team specifically here. Namatay din siya. Uy, nice. Good revive. Wait lang. Kailangan na pala nagbag yung Caitlyn. Naka-T-pose. Saya. Will, hello Will. Kamusta Will? And thank you for the follow, you guys. I appreciate you. And ano bang pwede?
And of course, cards and accessories in your language.
What that means is that we'll be taking a staggered approach
Well, that's
to
good.
delivering the game to
Yes, I've been looking for League of Legends. Okay. Okay lang, that's a setback. Pero kaya nating ibawi yan. Yung masyadong naging malakas yung rework ni Warwick. Diba? Kahit yung damage output lang siguro nung Terra. It's a good ending. Don't get me wrong, it's a good ending. It's a cliffhanger, but it's a good ending. It's a good ending to start, and before that... Oh, welcome to the stream. And we are going to watch AJ Napilan, Garcia, Anthony, Keno, PB, Touch, and Jo Marie, Christian, hello. Pwede bang i-jungle TF? Pwede naman, kaso nerf kasi yung TF, parang mahina kasi yung TF ngayon. Hindi siya nerf, pero parang ang hina ni TF ngayon sa jungle eh.
Si Ace, no? Ace, kamusta naman?
Ano po, kabado po ako.
Kami pressure si Boss Ace eh.
Enjoy lang. Pressure ako kasi...
Binestop trip pa niya. So, Trek, dapat naka 2 games na tayo ngayon. The end of the world. Oh, what's up, Chris? Padaan. Oh, thank you, Chris.
Didn't really expect this many people to watch with me. Kasi, actually, okay, this idea I didn't come up with this idea. If you're familiar with Star Wars, there's a bald guy on YouTube called Star Wars Theory. He mga kanser, may yung pangkanseran dito sa Pilipinas, mababa. Kasi, yun yung bumubuhay sa butya. May tumatawag na naman. Ano ba? Hindi. Okay. Defend top lane. Here we go. Defend top lane we go. Parang galing Monsters Inc. to si Nunu eh. Kaso wala na ata. Again. We rolling again. Keep it rolling, keep it rolling, keep it rolling. Woo! Wala. Diba? The Messiah of Arcane. Yes! Ito, patayin natin tong Lucian. Tapos mamamatay ako dito eh. Magiging canon ako dito eh.